Okay, here we have a disassembled hoverboard that I found, discarded. And I decided to try to reverse engineer these linear propulsion systems here. These aren't motors, but they're very strong, and it's very secretive, the drivers that run them. So I'm going to try to see all the information I can find out on my own, since I can't find out much online. Anyways, what I've designed here is a breadboard circuit where I could test the Hall effect sensors. And there you see them there. There's 3 of them embedded in the coils. They each share a ground and a hot wire, and then there's 3 output wires, yellow, blue, and red, 1 to each Hall sensor. So I have them wired here, the ground, the hot, and the respectively the colors of each line with the proper color LED. And now let's power this up with 5 volts. And as I rotate the wheel clockwise, you see the order that these light up in, going from right to left. And then when I go the other direction, they trigger left to right. And one thing I've noticed is that there's a point where I can light up the green wire and the blue simultaneously, but I cannot get any combination of the other colors, no matter how slow I turn it. I will be doing more investigation into this as I test other wheels to see if they're all like this. And my next step is I'm going to take those N-channel MOSFETs out of here. I've took a couple out already, and I'm going to try to use the Arduino here and see if I can get this thing to spin, starting from scratch, without any sort of drivers. And I see other people driving these things with, controllers that they buy online, but there's no fun in that. I want to try to reverse engineer this myself and get it to spin from, just bare salvaged components. Anyways, this is my first YouTube video. And anybody have any comments on this? I'd love to hear from you. Negative, positive, it doesn't matter. And have a good day.